6 benefits of disinfecting your office. Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about the benefits of disinfecting your office. With the ongoing pandemic, it's important to keep our workspaces clean and germ-free. Here are 6 benefits of disinfecting your office. 1. Reduces the spread of illness. By disinfecting high-touch surfaces, such as doorknobs, keyboards, and phones, you can reduce the spread of illness-causing germs and viruses in your office. 2. Increases employee productivity. A clean and healthy workplace can boost employee morale and productivity. Disinfecting can also reduce sick days, which means fewer interruptions to workflow. 3. Creates a safer environment. A disinfected office is a safer environment for everyone. By reducing the spread of germs, you can help prevent workplace accidents and injuries. 4. Shows your commitment to employee health. When you make an effort to disinfect your office, it shows your employees that you care about their health and well-being. This can help build trust and loyalty among your staff. 5. Maintains the appearance of your office. Disinfecting can also help maintain the appearance of your office. Clean surfaces and fresh air can create a more welcoming and inviting environment for employees and visitors. 6. Saves you money in the long run. Investing in regular disinfection services can actually save you money in the long run. By preventing the spread of illness, you can avoid the costs of lost productivity, sick pay, and healthcare expenses. Conclusion: there are many benefits to disinfecting your office. By reducing the spread of illness, boosting productivity, creating a safer environment, showing your commitment to employee health, maintaining the appearance of your office, and saving money in the long run, disinfecting is a smart investment for any business owner. Thank you for watching, and stay safe and healthy.